Hello friends, Dave from Advanced Camping, your Midwest van camper connection. And today we're gonna look at this new 2025 Pleasure Way Ontour 2.0. This is the highly sought after Pleasure Way. All of them are really popular, but this in particular on the Ford Transit, under 20 feet long, and it is all-wheel drive. These are really checking a lot of boxes for many people. And for 2025, you've got these blackout rims, which I think make it look really nice. You've also got a new smart plug. This is one of the only plugs in the market that actually has seals in it and is guaranteed to be water resistant. So it only goes in there one way. It's very heavy duty. If you feel it, it actually goes in really solid. It's a nice feel to it. You can be sure that your plug is in there correctly. You also have your hookup center is right at waist level, which is really handy. Of course, you've got an outside shower, hot and cold water out here. The Truma Aqua Go water heater, that's an on-demand water heater with a recirculating pump, which is nice. It brings back the cold water that might be in your line back to the water heater for reheat. It doesn't waste it. So up top, you're going to see the Fiamma F65 Eagle awning. These are nice awnings, really nice compared to many other van campers in this segment are having a lot of awning troubles these days. The Fiammas are very, very nice, really very problem free. So this also features the 360 bird's eye view camera setup for backing and parking, making it a breeze. Again, being under 20 feet long, you can fit this anywhere you could fit an F-150 pickup. It also has the 3.5 EcoBoost, so twin turbo engine with a 10-speed transmission. Very powerful, very, very comfortable drive, even in the mountains. Now, Pleasure Way features the dual Spider touch screens. You're gonna see that everything is on the screen. It's easy to use. You can, you've got 600 amps of lithium batteries. Right now, because I just plugged it in and it's a little low on battery, it's kind of supercharging those batteries. But you can actually adjust what amperage you're plugging into, and that is all done right on the screen. You've also got your climate control system on the screen, your lighting, your power management, your solar control, everything integrated right into one convenient, easy to understand spot. People buy a Pleasure Way because they love the build quality. It is unsurpassed build quality, really great. It comes with their 5-year freedom warranty. You've got, check out this cabinetry. Everything lines up, everything fits. I don't want to say you're never going to have a cabinet adjustment in the life of your van as it is bouncing down the road daily, but they are superb, industry-leading cabinet fitters. They build a lot of their cabinetry and things in-house, which is unheard of these days. And very, very comfortable build. You've got ultra leather coverings, which are not only durable, but what I can tell you is I've seen a lot of recent trade-ins and they sure look nice. They're 2022s, 2023s. You look close, the leather is flaking already. It's really inferior quality materials. You're not going to see that in a Pleasure Way. This is top quality. It's going to look great today. It's going to look great in 10 years. And that is one of the reasons they're able to offer you that 5-year freedom warranty. It also includes an LG TV, smart TV, and a Bose sound bar. You've got your second touch panel up here. You've got DuPont Corian countertops. They've kind of changed the edging for 2025. It's a little softer edging, a little more contemporary look. And I like this white onyx, they call this countertop, with the cabinet selection here. They also went to a dark hardware, and you can see they use this super high quality Bloom holdups. They press their cabinets into a soft headliner material. This not only gives you less squeaking and rattling down the road, but it also just kind of, if you have things right up against it, it will make it quieter as well. So super high quality cabinets, super high quality components leads to less problems as you're going down the road. Compressor refrigerator, got a little freezer here, great to keep your ice cubes or ice cream. Inside of here, you're gonna find a little hanging wardrobe, and this will be your bed supports. This is a power sofa, so with the touch of a button, this will just convert into a bed. They also are using these acoustic panels. These provide better insulation, and they're a quieter, room quieting material, so that's great. You've got a pull out. They went to Moen faucets for 2025. We've also got a large stainless steel sink. You can get a pot in there without any problem at all. Induction cooktop, and all of their drawers they maximize every space in this van, but this is a nice finished grade quality plywood and slow close drawer guides, of course. As we pop into the restroom, you're gonna find a china bowl toilet. You're gonna have another Moen shower fixture in here, little touch light. Very comfortable, just enough space. Again, they're using that DuPont Corian in here to make it kind of a you'd want it to be a weatherproof shower shelf. Up in the front, they now are covering their seats with ultra leather in the front as well. They even so it comes with a lagoon table. They put a lagoon table mount here so you can have one person maybe working, reading on their laptop up front while the other person is possibly still sleeping. Or you have another mounting space right down there. So you can have the table in the front or the rear, whichever you choose. And really well thought out, again, for 2025. That is a new feature. Some additional drawer space, really nice, full extension. Of course, soft close there. And up front, you've got the giant Ford screen. You're gonna have adaptive cruise control. Again, that 360 bird's eye view. This is where your table stows back here, and this seat will spin around and turn as well. Thank you for watching Advanced Camping and RV's virtual tour of the 2025 Pleasure Way. If you're looking for a Pleasure Way road trek, Winnebago, or Westphalia van camper, we are your spot here in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. Please give us a call, send us a text. We're happy to give you a no-hassle quote and help you for your next adventure.